In the heart of East Africa, rising above the vast plains of Tanzania, stands a giant Mount Kilimanjaro at an astonishing height of 5,895 meters above sea level. It is the tallest mountain in Africa and the highest freestanding mountain in the world.
Kilimanjaro is located in northeastern Tanzania, near the border with Kenya. Surrounded by savanna and rural communities, the mountain dominates the landscape. Visible from miles away, like a silent guardian watching over the land. At the base of Kilimanjaro live the Chaga people, one of Tanzania's largest ethnic groups. With a population of hundreds of thousands, they have called this region home. The people here primarily speak Swahili, the national language of Tanzania, alongside their native Chaga dialects. Swahili, rich, but Kilimanjaro is more than geography. It is a mountain of myth and spirit. For centuries, local beliefs have described it as a sacred place, home of God, and a source of life-giving power. Some legends speak of spirits dwelling in its snowy peaks, protecting it from those who climb with disrespect. Default text. Today, Kilimanjaro is also a source of livelihood. Tourism thrives here, drawing adventurers from across the world. Local guides, porters, and tour companies form the backbone of the climbing industry, helping thousands reach the summit each year. A place where nature, people, and spirit come together, rising, always, above the clouds.